Welcome back to TechNova AI 12, where artificial intelligence meets future tech this week. America's tech world is on fire. From AI breakthroughs to massive cybersecurity concerns and even robots replacing real jobs, these are the top US tech trends everyone's talking about right now. So grab your coffee, stay with me till the end, because the last one is going to shock you. And hey, if you love staying ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing tech family. Let's start with what's literally taking over Silicon Valley this week: artificial intelligence. From Google's Gemini updates to OpenAI testing, GPT-5 AI in the US is advancing faster than ever before. Businesses are using AI to automate customer service, design ads, and even generate code. And guess what? Analysts predict over 300,000 new AI-related jobs in the US by next year. Data science is also booming. American universities are reporting record enrollments in AI and machine learning programs. If you're in tech, this is your decade to shine. Cybersecurity at red alert, but with great technology comes great risk. Cybersecurity searches in the US have hit an all-time high this week after multiple ransomware attacks targeted healthcare and financial institutions. The FBI even issued a new warning about AI-driven phishing scams where hackers use deepfake voices to steal millions of dollars from companies. It's wild. So if you're in IT or cybersecurity, trust me, this is your time to be in demand. Robots and automation revolution. Now, let's talk about something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie: robots and automation in America. From Amazon warehouses to Tesla factories, robots are doing more human tasks than ever before. New humanoid robots like Figure 02 and Tesla Optimus are making headlines because they can walk, lift, and even respond using a boot. Here's the scary part: experts say automation could replace over 2 million routine jobs in the next 5 years. Still, it's creating new roles in robotics, programming, and AI maintenance, the jobs of the future. US tech lifestyle trends and beyond. Labs and offices. Tech is changing daily life too. Smart homes, wearable AI devices, and voice assistants are getting even smarter. Apple and Meta are both racing to dominate the AR or VAR market, and that's pushing a whole new wave of innovation across America's tech landscape. People are literally living in the future today. So there you have it: AI, cybersecurity, robotics, and future tech, the 4 biggest tech waves shaping the US this week. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more daily updates on the future of technology, hit that like button, comment your favorite tech trend, and subscribe to TechNova AI 12, because every day we bring you the future today. See you in the next one, and remember, the future doesn't wait, so neither should you.